How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. We've got another video for you. Going through the features that came with Revit 2021. So my name's John. I'm an AEC software consultant at Pentagon Solutions. And this is a pretty easy kind of feature to use, very simple, but again, very effective. Previously, all Revit schedules were just white blocks, unless you had them formatted to highlight something else. But what we can now do is stripe each of the rows. So if you go to your appearance in Revit, and then just on the first kind of graphic box, there's the option to stripe the rows. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to select the first color. It could be anything you want. Hit OK. We're going to change this over to our second color. Go for maybe more of a blue this time. Hit OK. And there we go. It's a bit kind of bold, but you get the idea. Again, it doesn't affect your formatting. That's in place, but it makes it a lot easier to read. And you can carry it on through to your sheets also. So there is an option to take that on and off if you want. But a pretty useful feature. I think it looks good, and it'd be good even for presentation purposes when it comes to sheets. It definitely makes things a lot clearer, so quite a good feature in that way. I hope you enjoyed. Again, keep an eye on the YouTube and Twitter for more updates, more videos on what's coming and what is new in Revit 2021. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.